It's the 25th day of Christmas, and my family gave to me 25 Christmas presents, 24 hours of fun, 23 bottles of chalk, 22 bins of paint, 21 being the answer of 9 plus 10 in math, 20 tons of kittens, 19 cups of cheese, 18 endoskeleton, 17 working advers, 16 broken bones, 15 dead frogs, 14 broken legs, 13 oculus, 12 new siblings, 11 bowls, 10 tons of sunflower seeds, 9 tons of Durpal paint, 8 broken eggs, 7 tons of cats, 6 broken kneecaps, 5 tons of rocks, 4 strawberries, 3 orange Ferris wheels, 2 big crystals, and a bottle of radioactivity.